How is it going, ladies and gents? I hope you're having a great day. It's your host Balint here, and in this video I'm gonna be trying to flip a Veefriends NFT from the LooksRare Marketplace to another marketplace called OpenSea, which is more popular, and there is an arbitrage and some money or Ethereum to be made. As you can see, I was observing this collection on the LooksRare Marketplace for a while, and I spotted this hype horse today that it's selling for 174 ETH. And if we check the exactly same collection on OpenSea, as you can see, the floor price is 1.9, and we already have offers, instant offers for 177. So that's why I think this price is a decent deal. But before we buy, you always need to double check the exact NFT that it's not flagged on OpenSea Marketplace, and to do that you just need to copy the token ID and insert it over here on OpenSea. Let's click on it, and as we can see, there is no suspicious activity mark here, which means we will be able to list it on OpenSea without any problem. So let's get into it, but before we do, we need to unwrap some of my Ethereum, because I wrapped it so I can make offers on the marketplaces. But since we want to buy the NFT instantly, we will need Ethereum and not wrapped ETH. So let's do that quickly. Unwrap, and let's unwrap like 1.7, because we already have 0.1 there and it should be enough. And let's click withdraw from the offer balance. You can see the gas fee here. I just make it super fast, aggressive for the sake of this video. Let's click confirm, and I need to sign my transaction on my Ledger Nano since I'm using a hardware wallet to keep my assets safe, and I accepted it. The transaction is pending, as you can see, and it's already done. We have enough ETH for buying this hype horse now. Let's click buy now, confirm and pay. You will see the transaction fee will be a little bit higher over here. Let's go aggressive. I don't like waiting, guys. Let's click confirm. Review transaction again on my hardware wallet. Accept and send. It should take a couple of seconds until the horse is ours. You can also check the transaction. It says success already. So yeah, it looks like we have it. Let's double check our profile, and as you can see, the hype horse is ours. So now we should be able to see it on the OpenSea Marketplace as well in our wallet. That's right. As you can see, it's right here. I bought it for 174, and I could already accept an offer with this amount, but I rather want to just list it out, because then I can expect a higher return. And to do that, I'm gonna go to OpenSea Pro, because then I won't pay the 2.5% fee for the transaction on OpenSea. It's almost the same as listing it on OpenSea, and you will also see the listing on OpenSea as well. So let's go on my items, and let's see the details. A list item, and I'm gonna go for a decent price. Let's say 1.84. 1.84. Creator fee, let's minimize to the minimum, and I'm gonna be listing it for 2 weeks. As you can see, the 0.5% deducted, we will get this amount of ETH upon successfully selling it. And let's start listing it. Also need to sign our transactions through MetaMask here. I'm just signing it on my hardware wallet as well. And it is listed, guys. So if we go here, as you can see on OpenSea, the cheapest NFT that someone can buy from this collection is ours, this beautiful horse. And I will update you when I was able to sell it successfully. And 6 hours later the sale is done. As you can see, the horse was sold for the listed price, which is pretty good in 6 hours. I already added it to our table, as you can see, buying price and selling price, and this is our profit. And if you want to calculate in dollar terms, multiply it by the price of Ethereum, it comes down to $160. Hey, it is not bad in 6 hours, but probably you cannot do it every day. You need to spot for these deals and look for different collections and learn about them. But now let's add our new Ethereum to our offer balance so we can refresh my offers. I will show you right now offers made. As you can see, these are the NFTs that I'm aiming for from the same collection. I already made them before, and there are rare and also very rare trades that I like to aim for, and I offer more Ethereum for them. So to activate them, I need to send back the Ethereum to my offer balance and wrap it. So let's wrap it. Let's say 1.7 ETH auto offer balance, and I need to sign the transactions through my MetaMask wallet. Let's click confirm, and let's sign the transactions through my hardware wallet as well. It's done. It should take a couple of seconds, and the transaction is completed. As you can see, it was added to my offer balance, and if I refresh it, as you can see, they all turn green, and I can bid to these NFTs again and hopefully make a successful one. That was it for this one, so hope you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel.